Hey, what is up guys, this is S and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how to edit Moody orange black tone using Lightroom mobile. So just before you start, subscribe if you haven't yet, also ring the bell icon, and if you want to download the preset then you will need a password which will appear on the card or I button anytime in this video. So watch the full video without skipping and let's get started. First go to light panel and then bring up the exposure to 0.36. Leave the contrast to 0 and bring down the highlight to -74. Now bring up the shadow to 40. Also bring up the whites to 29 and bring down the blacks to -57. Now go to curve. So here I will create an S curve. So lift up the black for the faded look to the blacks area, bring down the shadow, bring up the midpoint, and also bring down the whites for the faded look to the whites area, and bring up the highlight. Like this. Now click on done, then go to color and then bring up the temperature to 15. Also bring up the tint to 31. Now bring down the vibrance to -40, also saturation to -55. Now go to mix, bring up the saturation of red to 64, bring up the hue of red to 36. Also bring up the luminance of red to 38. Select orange and then bring up the saturation all the way up and leave the hue and luminance to 0. Now select yellow and then bring down the hue to -80. Also bring down the saturation to -60 and luminance to -20. Now select green, then bring down the hue all the way down, saturation to -38, and luminance to -20. Select aqua, then bring up the hue to 33, saturation to -76, and luminance to 0. Select blue, then bring down the hue to -18, bring down the saturation to -84, and luminance. and luminance to 0. Now select purple Then only bring down the saturation to -84 and do the same to magenta. Now click on done. Now go to effect and then split tone. Set the highlight hue to 0 and saturation 6. Shadow, set the hue to 206 and saturation 10. Now click on done. Now bring up the DH to around 31. Bring down the vicinity to -18. Midpoint 50, feather 76, and roundness to 0 and highlights to 46. Now go to detail and then bring up the noise reduction to 9 and color noise reduction to 18. And we're done with the before and the after. Now click on the 3 dot and then copy settings. Now I will paste it on some photos. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, then give a thumbs up, share and comment down below how you like the edit and what kind of tutorial you want next, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.